Hello guys, this is Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate, and in the previous video I showed you guys how you can actually shorten your WhatsApp link and how you can also create or generate your WhatsApp personalized link with your personalized message, and then how you get to shorten it and then how you get to use it and all. So in this video we'll be talking about how you can actually create your Milkshake website. There are other alternatives to Milkshake, okay? There is Linktree, then there is also card.co, right? But today we are going to be focusing on how you can create your Milkshake website, and don't worry, I would also do how you can create a Linktree and then landing page, as well as how you can also create one using card.co. But today we are going to focus on Milkshake. So with that said, don't worry, the previous video I will leave a link in the description where you get to see how you can shorten your WhatsApp link and how to copy your WhatsApp link. So with that said, let's get started. Whichever device you are using, be it Apple or Android device, so you get to download the Milkshake app first of all. So I have it downloaded here, so it's not actually difficult. All you have to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store. So when you get there, just type Milkshake and you will be able to download it. I've already downloaded it, so all I have to do is to open. So why do I prefer Milkshake over the other ones? Now Linktree and the rest, you can actually create like multiple pages on Milkshake and people can get to swipe. So I'm going to create a new, I already have a page here, right, and can launch it so that you guys see what it looks like. So if I type on this icon, it's going to launch so that you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, this is my Milkshake landing page. So if you go to some of my sites, this is what you are going to see, right? So you can able to swipe. This is what I was telling you. So 2 pages, and the only limit that it has compared to Linktree and the other ones and card.co is that you can't actually create your Milkshake website on your PC. So it has to be on a phone. You must do it on a phone since it's an app. So it must be done on a phone, unlike card.co and then unlike Linktree. So you must do your Milkshake website on the phone. So when you've downloaded it, you have to create an account. So after you create your account, log in and do all of the stuff that is necessary. Then we can now proceed to you creating your first Milkshake website. So all you have to do is to click on the plus icon. So you have to choose which type of landing page you want to do. So let's do something for YouTube. Let's do something for YouTube. So let's see how it works. I've not done anything for YouTube before. It's a fun one. It's something that I want to try out, and of course I'm happy that I'm doing it with you guys. I'm not just doing it alone. These are the templates that we have. So all you have to do is just don't stress it, don't sweat it, okay? All you have to do is just choose a template that you feel like it's really nice. So depending on what you do, I'm just going to choose any template. Okay, there is one that I'm liking, I think, which is one that my student did. I'll also show you guys what she was able to do. Let's just use this. Okay, let's use this one, please. I don't want stress. So from here you should be able to select, let's say for example, I might decide that I don't want to do this for YouTube, so I can do Arisa. Let's say your shop, let's do a shop, let's do CJ wears. So we do CJ wears, and then let me see, so we can choose, let's choose from library. Let's see the image that we'll be able to choose. Let's choose gallery. Let me see what I can come up with. Okay, so let me do this actually. Let's do something like this, something that is very fine. So I think I will have to go back to, okay, so it's uploading the image. So all you have to do is your card heading, let's say CJ wears home of quality. Of course you know home of quality wears. Of course you should, please don't do this home of this. Please use something that is very catchy and creative. Okay, so home of quality wears. What you order is what you get. What you order is what you get. What you order is, you can say what you order is what you get. Express delivery pay on delivery service, pay on delivery service. So you can now say express delivery, pay on delivery service. All items comes with a pair of maintenance kit at no extra cost. Okay, so we can do something like that, and then we let it go. So let's not sweat it too much. So the card description, let's just leave this stuff. Okay, then this is where you add your YouTube channel, blah blah blah. Then this is where, of course, since it's YouTube, so I can decide to not even talk about videos. I can decide to use this for another thing. So I'm sure this one is for YouTube, right? But I can decide to use it for any other thing that is not even used. So let's say we have let's use blue antique denim jackets. Okay, you can now add the link. You can add the link to your WhatsApp here. So let me do that, so that, because I want to show you guys. So let's use that John Connect. Ooh, they will not allow us, yes, because it's YouTube. That's why. So let's leave it at that. Let's just click on preview. Sorry, I would have used another one, but I'm just using it to teach you guys how to set it up. The way you go about it is literally the same thing. So as you can see how it's looking now, to you might not really be vibing with it, right? So you might not really be vibing with it. These are the videos. Okay, so that's why it's for YouTube, so that they can click on. But if you're not doing YouTube, right? So I guess that's why I couldn't change it, because of the links. So, and here people can get to subscribe directly on your YouTube channel without even stressing. So as you can see, this is your name, home of quality wears. What you order is what you get. Express delivery, pay on delivery, all items come. Now you can do this. Now let me show you guys a shortcut. For example, you don't like what you're seeing, you can click on shake it up, and it's going to randomly select another type. So look at it. So you might not like this, you might not vibe with it. You can click on shake it up again, and voila, this is another one. You can click on shake it up, voila, another one. You can click on shake it up, just like that. Keep on doing things, and maybe you get to something you like, then you can stay there. I want to show you guys how to do a little bit of customization. So you've now done this. So when you come to colors, you can look at color one is obviously I think your background, or the subscribe button. Yes, it's the background. So you can see you can literally change. Okay, let's say I want to change this to yellow. Then let's change the color to something like green, or maybe, yeah, depending on your color, you can see that we can do darker green. It pops more. Then you can now choose color 3, and then we can make it this. Of course, as you can see, the color of the subscribe button has disappeared, so we can make it green. And then the last color is obviously going to be the background, so we can decide to do brown here. Of course, it's not looking fine. You can click here and then choose whatever color you want to choose. So let's do this. So let's drag this to this place a bit. So let's drag this down here. Of course, it's not fine. I don't like this thing, but it's too bright and all of that. But I just want to show you guys customization. So you can also change fonts as well. So for your heading, we can now decide that, oh, we don't like that stuff, it doesn't work. So we can, I think I have a popular font here. I think it's Poppins. Poppins is my popular font, like the ones I love so much. So we can use Poppins, we can do bold, and we can do all caps, right? So sorry, you have to now check your subheading. So you customize if you have your brand font. Okay, if you've done your branding well, so you can have your fonts. I think you can do this Garamond. Garamond is also nice, so you get to make it a little bit bold there with the medium. And then you choose your card description. You can leave it, but of course you get the idea. So you get the idea. So you can see how it's looking now. So all we have to do is to click back on here on customize, and then when you click on publish, right? So let me just publish it and show you guys. So when I launch my website, you guys are going to see what we just created, and then I'll also show you guys something. So now look at it, it's live. So I'll just type on the link and it's going to open in a browser. Now you'll be like, oh, what of the one I set up and all of that stuff? Remember I told you that it can come in pages, so I can have these here, and then the next page will be for YouTube, right? So for them to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So the next page can be, so you can keep on creating pages and multiple pages like that. So of course, as you can see, the color is different from this first one. So it depends on what you want to achieve, what's your branding and all of that. You can also create this one, this same thing that has the links and all of that. Still, it's just the same method. So I can show you guys. So I don't want this to be live, so I'm going to kind of unpublish it. So all you have to do is to come here and then select this one and then delete. Okay, but let me just show you guys something, just in case maybe you didn't really like it and then you're like, no, I don't like this stuff. You can click on shake it up and voila, it shakes up. Just keep on doing that. Okay, just keep on doing that and all of that, so until you get something you really like and all of it. So I will just go over there and I'm going to discard changes and I'm going to delete because I don't need it. So I'm going to delete. So let me just show you guys a quick one. All right, so let me just show you guys a quick one with this so that you see what I did. So let's go to edit because that's where you can see what I did. So as you can see, I have the name there, I have my picture that I added. So the card heading is my name, the subheading is where I wrote out for those of you, so write out everything that you are doing and all of that. Okay, so you come to your card description. Mykail is an ROI online entrepreneur who helps blah blah blah. So these are the links. So you see the links here. So if you want to edit, you click on it, then you type out what you want the link text to show, and then you add your URL, of course. Okay, so let's chat, boost, and then after that you get to add your social links, all the links to your social profile. So you select them from here. If I want to add WhatsApp, it's just as simple as, or they say you can only have 5, but if I wanted to add WhatsApp, you can just tap on it and it will show, and then you add it there. Okay, this is how you can create your Milkshake website. So in the next video we'll be talking about how you can create your Linktree landing page as well as card.co landing page. So this is it, guys, and with that we are done with today's tutorial. If you actually enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. So if there's any video that you want us to do, next video suggestion, you can feel free to drop in the comment section. I'll go through it and then I get to talk about that in my next videos. So you can feel free to share with your friends, those that are going to find it helpful, and then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates on this channel. So with that said, we are done with today's tutorial. So once again, it's Mykail, Arisa, your friendly value mate, and don't forget, don't just get online, get noticed.